This is your teacher, Jessica, and today we have a new lesson. Today is Monday, May 4th, on the year 2020. Today we're going to talk about the big question, the Unit 15, and we're going to talk about musical instruments. So today we're going to need a few things. Today we're going to need the student book, the workbook, and your pencil case. Have these three materials ready, please. Now, these are the pages that we're going to answer today. Page 147, 48, and 128 from your workbook. Now, pay attention to the class, stay focused, and if you have any question, you can always send an email. Now, I need you to repeat the words, yes? And to also, if you want, you can take out your book right now. You can take out your student book to go to page 147 so you can see your book and you can see the presentation at the same time, or just focus in the presentation. Now we're going to start a new unit. Let's see. This is the big question. The big question is, how can we make music? To make music, we need to use our hands, our ears, our mouth, our nose, almost all the five senses, because we need to hear the music, we need to sing, we need to touch instruments with our hands. So it's a very good lesson today. I love music. I love rock music, pop music, all kinds of music, even reggaeton. Now, in this unit, guys, we're gonna read about percussion instruments. We're gonna write about the performances and about instruments. Also, we're gonna learn different instruments and how they keep the beat. The beat is the rhythm. Now, and also we're gonna watch videos. Now, let's see. Open, please, the student book on the page 148. If you see the book on the page 148, we can see the vocabulary words. These are the new vocabulary words. Listen and point to the words, listen again, and then say the words. So, we have instruments, cymbals, tambourine, xylophone, drum, shake, and strike. Now, these are a different kind of instruments. These are percussion instruments. The percussion instruments are the ones that don't have any chords. Okay? So, I repeat. The percussion instruments are cymbals, tambourine, xylophone, drum, triangle, shake, and strike. These are different kind of instruments. Now, you need to use the cymbals. You need to strike the cymbals so they can make a sound. You need to strike the tambourine and shake so you can create a sound. With the xylophone, you need to use ballets so you can strike and make a sound. Now, with the drum, you need to use your hands and then strike the drums. Okay? The triangle, you need to use this so you can make sounds. And the maracas. With the maracas is different. You need to shake the maracas so you can create a sound. Okay? These are different kinds of instruments. Okay? Now, I'm gonna ask you some questions. What are cymbals? Cymbals are instruments. They make a very cool sound. The next question. What does shake means? What does shake means? Shake is when you do this or do this with something. This is shaking. Like shaking your hands, okay? Shaking your fingers. That is shaking. And the last question. I don't know if you can see it. What words are verbs? What verbs from this vocabulary are verbs? Is tambourine a verb? Is xylophone a verb? No. Drums are verbs? We have two verbs. Verbs are action words. Shake and strike. Shake is one thing and strike is a different thing. Okay? Now let's continue. Shall we? Now let's continue. If you see here, we have examples using sentences. Now in these sentences, we are gonna see the vocabulary words. Number 1, you can play the instruments. When we play an instrument, we create music. For example, this is a guitar. So you can make a sound. You need to play the instrument like this. So that it's playing an instrument. Now, in the number 1 sentence, it says, you can play instruments. Number 2, you can strike the drums. Strike the drums. That's right. Number 3, you can play with the cymbals. You can strike the triangle. You can strike the xylophone. Number 6, the tambourine is small. You can shake the maracas. So, we have two action verbs here. We have strike and we have shake. With strike, you need to use ballets. Ballets are the things that they look like a pencil, and you use that to strike the instrument and then you create the sound. And shaking, it's like this, remember? Like shaking your hands, shaking your fingers. Now, these are instruments. Let's repeat. Drums, cymbals, triangle, xylophone, tambourine, maracas. Yes? Let's continue. Now, in this page, on the page 148, you're gonna listen to the music and circle the correct words. According what you hear, you're gonna listen different sounds. And then you have to circle each one of them. The number 1 is example, instrument. But then you need to play the sound so you can listen and answer correctly. Yes? Once you're finished with this activity, now we're gonna go to the second part, which is practice in your workbook. If you can please take out your workbook so we can practice directly over there. Yes? Now, go please to the page number 100 and I think it's 23, but at the end of the video I'm gonna repeat again the page, so do not worry about it. Let me see very quick so you can have the book ready. Page 128, I'm sorry. Page 128, let's see. Oh, we have this. Let me just fix my screen, please. Okay, here we go. Nice. Okay, so page 128. Open the book, please. Now, how can we make music? What is your favorite musical instrument? My favorite musical instrument is the guitar. I love playing the guitar. I'm learning right now, but I practice every day. Now, can you play or do you listen to it? I can play it and I can listen too. Now, why do you like it? I like the guitar because it makes a very nice sound, and I love playing the guitar because it's very relaxing. And we also because we need to learn every day new things. So if you practice an instrument, keep going, keep doing that. Now, in the activity letter A, you have to look and you have to circle. Yes? We have this picture of the kids. And the kids, they have different instruments. And the instruments are numbered. like number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And then we have these options. In these options, you have to circle the correct word. Okay? Now, I gave you the answers, but you can do it by yourself too. If you want to take a good look, do it. Okay? So let's practice again the words. Number 1. What is the number 1? Tambourine. Yes, tambourine. Let me try to use this so you can see it. Number 1, tambourine. Number 2 are cymbals. Cymbals. I'm sorry, xylophone. Sorry, that's the xylophone. Number 3, oh, where is it? I cannot see it. What is the number 3? Oh, it's right here. Number 3, it's the, hold on, fixing my screen, 1 second. The number 3 is a triangle. 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 Number 4, those are cymbals. Cymbals. Number 5, they are drums. Number 6, a boy is striking a triangle. Okay? Now, they look very easy, but sometimes they can be a little bit confusing. Don't worry. You are gonna learn a lot today. Now, the number 6, the boy is striking, remember, striking the triangle. The number 7, the girl is what? Striking or shaking? She's shaking the maracas. The number 8, what is the number 8? We're talking about instruments. That's right. Okay, let's continue. You can also practice with the second page, but this is up to you. I just recommend you to answer one page is enough, okay? Now, let's practice this together. Look and write the letters in the correct order to make words. In this activity, you need to unscramble the words to create the words, obviously, yes. Number 1, these are drums. Let me show you. Let's practice a little bit, guys. Number 1, these are drums. Number 2, cymbals. Number 3, triangle. Number 5, xylophone. Number 4, xylophone. Number 5, tambourine. And finally, number 6, instruments. Okay? Now, remember what we learned today. Okay? Just remember. What do we learn today? We learned to talk about instruments, percussion instruments, and the difference between shake and strike. So, congratulations, good job if you finish. Now you can practice in your books, and don't forget to send me a picture, okay? I need to see a picture so I can see how do you work today. So have a great day, take care, and I'll see you later, okay? Have an amazing day. Goodbye.